Hi Disney lovers, I'm Kathy and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I love Disney and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is actually my first Disney subscription box unboxing. So I have decided to order the Magic at Your Door subscription box. So a few Disney YouTubers and Instagrammers that I follow, DisneyKittee, EarstoMickey, both do this subscription box and they really like it. So I've watched a few unboxings and I thought that I would try one myself. So I have the box here for the first time ever. Bear with me, I might not have everything totally right. But I'm so excited. So this showed up at my front door and it is little St. Patrick's Day themed. So I also wear my green Neverland, Greetings from Neverland shirt from the Lost Bros. So check them out if you're interested. But I thought I'd stick with the theme. I know this will be going up after St. Patrick's Day, but I actually got the box after St. Patrick's Day. I got the box 2 days ago and it's been sitting in my room waiting because I wanted to really open it for the first time with you guys. So it's kind of been like torturing me sitting in my room and seeing it every time I walk by. So I want to open it together with you now. So it's so cute, has this little design, and I'm gonna open it now. So I did the monthly subscription. So the way that works is you pay by month. I wanna say it's around $90 a month, but I had a coupon code from a YouTuber that I follow, and the first box I got for, I think it was $67, so it was a little bit less. So I'm gonna open this up now and get started. Have some scissors here. Let's see. Open this up. Okay. Ooh, okay. So the first thing that I got is a welcome to the Ohana certificate for joining the subscription box. So that's so cute, something a little special. And then this, which I know from other videos and from the website, comes in every box. It is the pricing chart. So, you know, Disney likes to do their pricing by colors. So similar to that, they'll have the color and then how much the item costs. So we can see how much I'm really getting from this box. So there's also a special Mother's Day sale they've got going on, a promo code, so I'll put that in the description box as well. And then they have a special Facebook group, so I'll have to take a look at that later. So let's take a look what's inside. So right away, oh my gosh, look, so there's tons of confetti in there and it's St. Patrick's Day green, but I'm already seeing things popping out. So it doesn't even look like I'm gonna be able to take the confetti out. So here is the first item, a new pair of ears. So these are Disney Parks authentic ears and they are so cute. Save me some time from trying to decide what kind of ears I want. These are perfect for Minnie, Rock the Dots. I love the sequins. Let me see what they look like on. Yeah, that's great. So see if I can get them in the camera for the video. There, yay. So cute new pair of ears. They wore the color, I think it's cyan. They're $24.99, so $25 normal like park price for these kinds of ears, but I love them. The bow is like a good size too. So I have a big head. So usually when I wear ears, the bow kind of starts to get close together. So this is a good size where it's not super small, where it's gonna start to look like flat, but just the right size. So yay. Okay, happy with that. Let's see what's next. There is a huge thing in there, but let's see if I can. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to take, all right, I'm gonna take out the little pouch. So There's a little silver pouch inside. So I'm gonna open up, and there's a ton more of the confetti. Oh wow, okay. There's 2 things in here. So the first is a gold necklace. And let me move it a little bit, there you go. So it's a little Mickey head, and it looks like it might even be, is it a locket? Does it open? I'm not sure. It looks like it's got like a little, no, I don't think it opens. I don't know. I'll let you know if I find out later on. But very cute little Mickey emblem and design. And it's gold, which I don't have a lot of gold Disney jewelry, so this might be awesome for me to wear. So this is tan. Tan is $17.99. And then also in the pouch, there is this adorable little Minnie Mouse head. Now, I don't know what exactly this is. It doesn't look like a keychain because there's no like keychain thing on it. Does anyone know what this is? I can see that it's a Minnie Mouse, I think. Am I totally wrong here? Okay, not sure about this. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be, but it has the price tag of red. So red is $9.99. So $9.99. Oh wait, is it magnetic? Oh, I think it's a magnet. Let me go try it out. See if it is a magnet. So actually that is pretty cute for a magnet. This is something a little different, and I love that little design. So that is a magnet, very nice. Okay, next thing I'm seeing, oh my gosh, is this Pooh Bear. Okay. Look at this print on this Pooh Bear. So this is a pink Pooh Bear. He's so soft, and he's wearing a paisley print shirt. This is, I mean, he's literally called Paisley Pooh. Oh my goodness, how freaking adorable. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in the parks. I love Pooh Bear, so this I am very excited about, and it's definitely a different spin on Pooh. I could see this being really, really cute. If one of my cousins ever has a baby girl, something like this to gift them would be nice. But for now, it's mine, all mine. So very cute. So this is $24.95 on this price tag. So that's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, I believe, one more thing should be in the box. So let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I have here this adorable Rapunzel like bound notebook, and it even has a little, oh there, face it the right way, a little Pascal like bookmark to hold your page. Let's see, let's open this up. Oh, that is so cute. I feel like I'm being like transported into Rapunzel era with this kind of notebook. Oh, that's pretty. So there's a nice like purpley print design in there. And then we've got tons of adorable pages with little Rapunzel thinking, and some birds and little designs. So that's super, super cute. I love that. Love that it's like this like bound fancy little design. So this notebook was $21.95. So let's add up the amounts and see what we're at. I believe I normally would pay $89.99 for the cost of this box. I only paid $67 this time because I had a discount. So especially from the $67, I received $95 worth of merchandise. And it's all Disney Parks authentic merchandise or Disney authentic merchandise, not necessarily all from the parks. And it's all pretty unique stuff that I haven't seen before. So that that is really cool. From the regular price of the box, the $89.99, I've still got about $5, $6 more than the actual retail value of the items. So that is exciting, but definitely the uniqueness of the items is really fun to check out. So I really enjoyed this first Magic at Your Door box opening. I hope that you did too. I will link Magic at Your Door down below and also the discount code for Mother's Day. But I hope that you all have a great day. And yeah, that's it. So bye, Disney lovers.